everyone, I'm Morgan Schubert, and I want to talk to you today about the amazing attributes that come along with rock climbing. Have you ever wondered why someone would willingly hang off the side of a mountain just to see what they're made of? Rock climbing is a popular extreme sport that helps aid in health benefits and boost mental function. To start off, I want to talk to you about the mental attributes that come with rock climbing. Second, I want to talk to you about the most popular types of rock climbing. And last but not least, I want to talk to you about the actual origins of rock climbing in history. Rock climbing is well known for its health benefits that aid in stress relief, mental stimulation, and actually building life skills. According to Indiana University, climbers who totally lose themselves in the flow of activity enter a mindset that can create a sense of euphoria and actually block pain. Also, climbing outdoors can carry extra benefits. Time spent outdoors has actually been linked to lower self-stress, making a solid argument in the favor of outdoor climbing trips. Also, a big point is, not only does it help with stress, but it also aids in muscle building and help with cardio. Climbing involves problem-solving skills and boosts brain function. According to Alex Honnold, a world-renowned rock climber, no climber is a stranger to overcoming challenges, and there's a good reason rock climbers are always on those motivational posters. The process of overcoming your own fear all the time helps put life's other challenges into perspective. There are so many different types of rock climbing, but I want to talk to you about the two most popular ones. Aid climbing is a technical style of climbing in which devices are actually used to help pull you upwards. This type of climbing is generally employed on big walls that are indoors. However, free climbing is extremely difficult or impossible almost. Aid climbing places less emphasis on brute strength and power and more on physical and mental endurance. An example would be, I remember one time I was indoors at a rock climbing wall with an aided system. I knew that there was a rope attached to the top, but I knew that it wasn't sturdy, it was flexible, and if I let go I would fall backwards. I wouldn't just hang there at the point that I had climbed to. So I knew that I would have to push past the burning in my muscles and pull myself up, using the skills that I had learned to be able to place my feet and my hands in the right place to pull myself up. According to YouTube Dan Osman, solo climbing or free soloing is the most pure form of climbing because it involves no protection should you fall. The only protection is a good set of hands. Also, next I want to talk to you about rock climbing in the history. The actual first recorded start of mountaineering or rock climbing in the modern era is attributed to the ascent of Mount Blanc in 1786. The officially recorded ascent of Mount Blanc was August 8, 1786 by Frenchmen Jacques Balmat and Dr. Michael Picard. The climb, initiated by Horace Benedict de Saussure, who gave a reward for the successful ascent, is thought throughout history as the first recorded rock climbing expedition. Also around 1910, German and Italian climbers had made large strides in rope handling techniques, as well as the development of carabiners and pikes, that are metal hook tools that help pull you upward. In conclusion of what we went over today, rock climbing is a sport that is physically and mentally daunting on the body and mind. However, it helps people to focus more on survival and a specific goal than all the struggles and problems going on in life. There's so many different ways to climb, and each with a different experience and lesson. Rock climbing has existed through many early civilizations, and not just built strength, but also to help find a center in a hectic world. Rock climbing is a wonderful sport that forces you to choose every move you make, to tune out everything in your mind that is not directly in tune to reaching the summit.